Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, it's a girl NC, and today we'll be doing the large jungle butterfly braids, guys, on my sister. As you guys can see, I'm just going to show you how it's being done. Alright, so this time we won't be pulling the hair from the braids while it's being braided down. We will do that afterwards, guys. So first you need to get your braids sleek and start doing your knotless braid down, guys. As soon as you're finished, let me know. But in the meantime, stay tuned, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share, and leave a nice comment down below on what video you think I should do next, guys. Alright, stay tuned.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Okay guys, so for the second braid, I'll be working with this brown hair. It's the same expression here, but I'm not sure it's which color, guys. Alright, please ensure, guys, you like and subscribe and help me get to 1K subscribers. I'm helping you out with a method. You can help me out reaching 1K subscribers. Okay guys, so now I have finished braiding down the knotless braid, guys. Now we'll be pulling a little bit of hair from each side of the braids to create the butterfly loop effect, guys. Alright, you can do it as much time as you want, but I choose to do it a little bit, not too much, just to get a effect on the braids. Alright, so guys, don't mind my comb. That's comb I could find at the time because it have the iron on the head to help me pull the hair from the braids. Alright, so guys, stay tuned for the finished look.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Savannah, the beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Remember to subscribe and help me get to 1K subscribers so I can start doing my live streams. So guys, that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching so much. Okay, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
No, Savannah, we'll never be alone, Savannah.